Hello, and welcome to this new episode dedicated to the history of France. Today, we will explore a significant event, the Revolution of 1848 and the establishment of the Second Republic. Let's dive into the origins, the course, and the consequences of this pivotal period. The Revolution of 1848 emerged in a context of significant social, economic, and political unrest. By 1848, the July monarchy, led by King Louis-Philippe, faced growing criticism. Social inequalities were stark, unemployment was soaring, and political freedoms were limited. The Republican bourgeoisie demanded reforms, while the working class sought greater social justice. This explosive climate resonated across Europe, where revolutionary movements were also breaking out during the same period. In February 1848, the government's refusal, under Prime Minister Guizot, to allow political banquets calling for electoral reforms sparked the revolution. Protests erupted in Paris, bringing together workers, students, and Republicans. On February 22nd, tensions escalated and clashes with security forces multiplied. Barricades were erected in the streets of the capital. On February 24th, faced with the scale of the uprising, Louis-Philippe abdicated and fled to England, marking the end of the July monarchy. On the same day, a provisional government was formed, comprising moderate Republicans and socialists such as Alphonse de Lamartine and Louis Blanc. On February 25th, the Second Republic was officially proclaimed. Among its initial measures, the government abolished slavery in the colonies, established universal male suffrage, and created national workshops to address the unemployment crisis. These reforms aimed to create a more just and democratic regime. Despite these advances, the young republic quickly faced numerous challenges. The national workshops, costly and inefficient, were heavily criticized. In June 1848, their closure triggered a workers' uprising, which was brutally suppressed by the army. These divisions between moderate Republicans and socialists weakened the regime. In December 1848, Louis-Napoleon Bonaparte, the nephew of Napoleon I, was elected president of the Republic, benefiting from his image as a unifier. However, in 1851, he orchestrated a coup d'état, ending the Second Republic and establishing the Second Empire. The Revolution of 1848 and the establishment of the Second Republic marked a turning point in French history. These events highlighted the French people's aspirations for greater social justice and democracy, as well as the deep divisions within the country. Thank you for listening to this episode. If you would like to discover more key moments in French history, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.